So today what we're going to do is show you how to properly fit the Deckorator Solar Versacap to a wood 4x4. I recently had my railing installed on my deck and wanted to use these on my openings for the steps, and thought they looked pretty good and fit what I needed. And so when I purchased them, this is how they come. They come with this insert in here, and when you put this on the 4x4, it is still too big for it to attach. So it's going to come with 2 screws, one in each corner. I just took those out, and you can remove these. Of course, these are for attachments if you've got a 6x6 or whatever, odd size post or vinyl post. Mine are 4x4 wood. So what I did was, I figured what I needed was something that it would sit on, but as you can see, it sits, but it's also got this beveled area for the inside. And so when you sit this on the top of a 4x4, it just rocks in place, so it doesn't sit flush. So kind of thinking about it, and I said, you know, what we need is something to fit inside here and then onto the 4x4. Deckorators tells you to use silicone, but it's still a massive amount of silicone you would have to have, and then you couldn't make sure it was sitting straight up and down. I don't know why they didn't attach another one of these that was a little bit smaller, a 3.5 by 3.5 or something that would fit a 4x4, but instead this is what you're stuck with. So I just took all these out. That's just garbage at this point. And what I did was decided to cut some squares that were identical size, maybe a little bit smaller than the hole. So what it's going to do is going to fit right in here. I'm going to use some liquid nail, put that in there, and what it's going to do is, and you'll see the end product, I'm letting this one dry, but you can see it's still got some recess here where I'm going to put a bead of liquid nail around in here, and then apply this to the top of the 4x4 and make sure it sits where I want it to. Once it dries, it is never coming off. So to me, that's the best fit for this. All this other stuff that they give you, the screws and everything to fit down in these corners, to me that's all junk. The only thing you'll need to save are the batteries, of course, which go in the top right there, and then it's like 72 hours. It says 24 hours, but probably it'll take a little while to charge. But we can thank my neighbor over there with his miter saw, which I don't have, and that is all. So thank you for watching, and hope this helps you.